Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well and are safe and are taking all the precautions. I am Ila Anantacharya. Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anantacharya. So, uh, the yesterday's topic was about lucid dreaming, and I'm happy to say that I'm getting a good response on that topic. Now, today I would like to talk about exercise daily. That is, we all know that we have to maintain our physical health, but nowadays, along with the physical fitness or physical health, we also have to maintain and take care of our mental health. So, today I would be talking about various types of exercise that we can go through, and first and foremost is that we should have it as a daily habit. Yeah, exercise should be our part of a daily job, as we early in the morning we wake up, we go to washroom, we do the brushing the teeth, taking bath, having breakfast. Similarly, between at some time whenever you are getting free throughout the day, it is not that at a certain time only you can do the exercise. I know there are certain rules that you can do certain exercise after eating, certain exercise before eating. Yeah, there are certain rules, but still you have to work out for you that what suits best for you, and then you have to start doing exercise daily, because it is must. It has so many benefits. And what else you will give priority apart from your health? It is to be given priority. And in the coronavirus and COVID-19, we have seen that health is wealth. If you are there, then you can see you can use all of the wealth you have collected throughout your life. So it is wisely said that health is wealth, and it is correctly said, and we have to follow that. And for that, exercise is should be taken into a daily routine. Okay, so there are what we say cardio exercise, there are certain strength exercise, there are flexibility exercise, there is balancing exercise. So all these exercise depend on what in which what job profile we are, whether we are housewife, whether we are working very physically hard, or we are doing some IT firm work where we have to just focus on the computer and sit, or we are doing on a floor where workshop kind of where we have to run around. So depending on your style of job and work, you can choose the exercise. Nowadays there are so many platforms available online on YouTube, and there are apps also which will help you to remind when to exercise, what to exercise, and there are so many free these things available where you can consult. Also, those who are very those who want to remain fit forever, they usually go to gym, take some time out and do the jogging and the treadmill, and all that pull up and push ups, and like Bollywood star. But if we can't do that, at least we can do something at home. So we can start with meditation. Yes, meditation is also exercise. It is a mental exercise where you make your mind calm, relax, and we can boost ourselves. It will re-energize all our cells and brain and everything. So we can do yoga, we can do Zumba, aerobics. We can do, nowadays we have that on the Bollywood song we have all these steps, so that we can do. We can then there is one more type of exercise which I have started doing, which is known as energy medicine exercise, which actually it is been coined by the word by Donna Aden. She has used it, but in our Indian culture it is not known as Nadi Shastra. So whatever all the in our body, all that radiant circuits which are flowing, if we can work on that, then that energy medicine will also help us to achieve all the benefits of our exercise. So let's come to the benefits of the exercise, which is improved blood flow. Then we can lose our weight, that is we can keep our weight to a balanced level. Stress relieving, it helps our brain to remain healthy. When as we get older and older, that is a thing that we start to forget everything, and we our memory loss starts, and so exercise will help our brain to get remain in a stimulated condition, and it improves our mood and sleep. The exercise helps to improve our focus. It it also helps to protect our body in a many conditions. If we are daily exercising, we are doing daily, then in so many ways we are feeling good, we are feeling rejuvenated, we are feeling healthy, happy. So I can say that if we are not doing exercise, then at least we can choose some sports or some kind of place which we can do, which will help us to do the physical and the mental exercise. For example, if you can do badminton, if you can play what we can say cricket or something that physical exercise includes in, then that will also do. Or for your mind exercise, we can play with our family chess, with the family carom, certain word game which keep on stimulating our mind. So along with this kind of sports and play and certain thing, and we have to try to include exercise in our routine. So I just want all of you to start exercise, and it is up to you which kind of exercise you want to do, but please start. As I'm daily doing energy medicine exercise, you can also do that. It is simple, and 5-10 minutes is enough, because it is actually working on your radiant circuits, and it is more than enough to work on you for 10-15 minutes daily. Okay, so I hope this information has helped you. Please keep listening to my podcast, and I'm very much grateful to all those who are listening. So thank you so very much.